Hi, and welcome to the Likeable Forms Mailtrap SMTP extension. Today, we're going to show you how to plug in your SMTP credentials. To get started, go ahead and add your Likeable Forms license key and also your SMTP password. So this isn't your password to log in to Mailtrap with, it's your SMTP password. So if you don't know how to find this, be sure to check out our documentation. The next step is clicking Verify License Key, and once your license key has been validated, let's go ahead and move on to our extension settings. So the first step is adding our SMTP server. This is going to be the same for everyone. It's live.smtp.mailtrap.io. The next step is adding our username. So we're just going to plug in a demo username. And again, this is not your username to log into Mailtrap with. It's your SMTP username. So please don't confuse the two. The next step is our from name. This is going to be unique to everyone, and for us, it's Likeable Forms. We typically recommend just a company name. The last step is configuring our port number and protocol. So right now, as of filming this video, Mailtrap recommends port 587 and using the TLS protocol. The final step is clicking Save SMTP Settings. Now I'll point out this isn't the normal Save button that's found in your form editor. It's actually an SMTP Settings Save button. So that way, instead of having to reconfigure all of your credentials for each form, you only have to do it one time. There you have it.